Welcome to Home Decor by Mahmood, your go-to destination for all things home decor on YouTube. Our channel is dedicated to enhance your living space with creative, stylish, and practical ideas. Whether you are looking to transform your bedroom, living room, bathroom, or explore captivating wall decor ideas, we have got you covered. We are passionate about interior design, kitchen decoration, and DIY home decor, and we are here to share our experience with you. So, if you are eager to enhance your home aesthetics and functionality, you have come to the right place. Join us on a journey of YouTube growth, home decor by Mahnoor style. In our video library, you will discover a treasure trove of bedroom decor inspiration. We will guide you through a myriad of ideas to elevate your personal sanctuary, from minimalistic modern aesthetics to cozy rustic charm. Our content caters to various tastes and preferences. Dive into a world of innovative decorating tips, create decor ideas, and how to guide that will inspire your next bedroom makeover. Your living room is where family and friends gather, and it deserves special attention. Our channel is your source for elegant living room decor ideas. We will explore trendy interior designs and DIY projects that will help you create a stylish and welcoming space for all your special moments. The bathroom is often an overlooked space for decor, but not here. We'll share bathroom decor ideas that make your daily rituals a pleasure. Whether you are into a space like retreat or vibrant, playful atmosphere, we have got the ideas and how to guide it to make it happen. Empty walls are a canvas waiting for your creativity. Our channel develops deep into wall decor ideas that will add personality and charm to your home. From modern art installations to gallery walls, we will show you how to make the most of your wall space. The heart of your deserve a design that matches its importance. We will provide you with the kitchen decoration ideas. We will provide with the ideas that looks good, stunning, but also enhance functionality. Join us as we explore the latest kitchen trends and how-tos. At Home Decor by Mahnoor, we are all about helping you create a space that reflects your style, fulfill your needs, and simply makes you feel at home. If you are passionate about stylish home decor, DIY projects, and creative design ideas as we are, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you can never miss an update. Your journey to a more beautiful and functional home begins here with us. This is Home Decor by Manur, where your dream home is just a click away. Thank you for being a part of our community.